Hi guys, I'm quickly going to show you how to change the color of my skirt. We're going to go to the quick select tool first, and we are just going to select the outline of the dress. It's just a plain yellow dress, so it is really simple to select. If you're a beginner, definitely go with plain colors first, and we are just going to fix it along the sides. If it goes onto other things, just kind of do the minus selection and the plus selection just to fix small little things like I just did over there. Definitely zoom in to see more of the dress, and then just check it over. Don't worry too much. We are going to go to select and mask now, and that's going to fix everything else. You will see I've selected the red for the background, so you can really see it will stand out. I'm just going to feather and smooth it a little bit, and that should be completely enough. Then we're going to go to the hue and saturation, and I'm just going to change it to the color I want. So you can actually change it to any color. Here I want it to match the blue of the drink that I'm holding, so I'm just going to change it so it is matched up with the can in my hand, and it is as simple as that. Then I'm just going to edit the images, the colors on the images a little bit. I'll do this some more on my Lightroom, but I do like selective color on Photoshop just to make everything kind of a little bit more natural, so that it looks like my skirt actually looks that way and everything just fits perfectly. You guys can see I'm just going to change the blues like a tiny little bit, and that is that.